Now let's simplify this question on the board. We have simplify, open bracket, 16 all over 81 close bracket raised to the power of minus 3 all over 4 multiplied by square root of 100 divided by 81. In order to solve this, we need to study something first. Look at this denominator of this number. The denominator is 4. That is fourth root. Solution. Let me write out the question again. 16 all over 81, close bracket, raised power minus 3 raised power minus 3 over 4 times square root of 100 divided by 81. Excuse me. Now, as I said earlier on, look at this denominator. As I've said, we need to look at the denominator. The denominator is 4, which is the fourth root. Now, we need to look at this number. Which base can I use? Then I will be able to raise it with the power of 4 so that it will correspond with this denominator here. When we think, we see that we can make use of 2 for this 16. 2 raised power of 4, that is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, that is 16. Which means 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16. Now, what about 81? 81 should be 3 raised to the power of 4. Let's see that. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 multiplied by 3, that is what? 81. So, we can use 2 for this 16 raised to the power of 4 and 3 for this 81 raised to the power of 4. Now, we know that the law of indices that says A raised to the power of m all over b raised to the power of m is the same thing as A over b, open bracket, close it, raised to the power of m. This m is the power for this A all over b. Now, following this rule, it will be 2 all over 3, open bracket, close it, raised to the power of what? 4. This 4 is the power of these 2 and these 3. There, we know that we have one power outside the bracket before, which is minus 3 all over 4, right? So, we can divide this. We have 2 all over 3, open bracket, raised power of minus 3 times, what is the square root of 100 is 10. The square root of 81, that is what? 9, right? So, the law of indices still say A minus M can still be rewrite as, A minus M can still be rewrite as 1 all over A raised to power M, right? So, we follow this rule in order to write this as 1 all over 2 over 3, right? Close bracket, then raised power 3. This minus, we have rewrite it to be 1 all over 2 all over 3 times 10 all over 9. So here, there will be reciprocal. In order to remove this one, the number will turn, which is 3 all over 2 raised power of 3 times 10 all over 9, right? So we have 3 all over 2, open bracket, close it, raised power of times 10 all over 9. 3 raised to power of 3 is what? 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times, that is 27. 27. We all know that this power, 2 of them are sharing the power. So 2 raised power of 3, that is 8, times 10 all over 9. 9 here, 1. 9 here is 3, right? 2 here, we have 4. 2 here, we have 5. 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15 all over 4. That is our final answer.